Hey guys, hope you had a good week and welcome back to art class. A witch casts a spell on you that puts you into a jar. When you look at the jar, it shows all of your likes and interests. Draw what your jar looks like. If you're stuck, a great way to start is making lists of your favorite things. Then you can sketch them out. Once I sketch mine out, I like to outline them. You don't have to. And then I color them in crayon. You can use a marker or a colored pencil or even watercolors. It's up to you. When you're done, your jar will be an awesome reflection of you.